Welcome back to another episode from the Whip Report. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, I'm biased, but I highly recommend you go check them out. Hopefully, you learned something. I apologize if you don't. But I'm going to try something different here. Today is the first segment of CPA Rant. And the topic of today's rant is to look for permanent solutions. What I mean by that is every year, just in our own personal lives, we come across the same issues. That's fine. But sooner or later, we have to upgrade those problems to newer ones. So I'm really big on permanent solutions. Identify key problems that are recurring, fix them so they don't pop up again. What's going to happen is you're bound to have other issues that pop up, but at least you'll have time to address them. Spending a considerable amount of time every year doing the same thing because the problem hasn't been addressed is a drag. Who wants to do that? And when you look for a CPA, look for somebody that's going to help you identify those permanent solutions. If you're doing the same thing every single year and nothing's changing, it's the same old thing, well, people lose interest. And internally, externally, that only goes so far. So find somebody that's willing to help you find those permanent solutions and not just temporary patches every year of whatever you give me, and I'll turn it into something different and move on down the line. There's responsibility on two parties. One, with you, uh, the company. I'm speaking from the client CPA relationship, but as the CFO or accountant, you have to take it seriously. You have to invest the time and energy to get things right. If you have questions, reach out to your CPA. They should be willing to help you out. And on the CPA side, um, they have to help you with identifying those solutions. They have to tell you what entries they're recording. All of this information should be transferred over to you. You have to know what's being done. Otherwise, it's the same thing over and over again. You send an email and you say it's that time of the year again, and you know what? That gets old. So let's work on finding permanent solutions and not just temporary patches. Key to that is education. You don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to watch my videos. There are plenty of other ones online too, but learn and improve. Uh, Put the pressure on your CPA to help you get there. That's all I have to say about that. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.